Did you know that businesses using AI tools in marketing are seeing over 30% more customer engagement and saving hours every single week? My name is Victor, founder of Cenvotex B&M Solutions here in Nairobi. And today, I'm going to show you how AI is transforming marketing in Kenya and how you can take advantage of it. Let's be honest, most small and medium businesses in Kenya are still stuck doing everything manually. Social media, customer replies, content creation. It's exhausting and time consuming. But there's a smarter way, and it starts with AI. Imagine being able to generate 30 content ideas in seconds, write captions that actually convert, and automatically reply to customer messages, all without hiring a full-time team. AI can help you write social media posts, emails, and blogs, predict what your audience wants, schedule posts, analyze results, and optimize your strategy. At Cenvotex B&M Solutions, we don't just use AI, we build strategies around it to help your business grow. Here's what we offer: AI-powered content creation, digital marketing automation, branding and design, social media management, video content with AI editing, one-on-one AI training for your team. We've helped brands cut their content creation time in half and double their reach without increasing their budget. So, if you're ready to level up your business and start marketing smarter, not harder, let's talk. Follow for more tips on using AI in your business. And remember, at Cenvotex, we don't just do marketing, we create impact.